Hello everyone, I just want to show you the other piece that I'm putting here on top to cover all these big holes in the skidoo cover. See here this last hole, and there's kind of a rip here. So what I do, I like to cover the patching at least 1 to 2 inch below that, just to make the patching stronger and last longer. Because if it's right on the, if the patching ends right there on the line, this risk of ripping further in the future. So if there's a patching that covers this at least 2 inch, as you'll see, about a 2 inch, it will make the patching much more durable. Anyways, I just want to show you this tip. Look into the description below and you will find some information, sewing tips and all kinds of stuff. And people that have any question about sewing, please feel free to message me, and I'll be happy to do my best at doing a video to help you out. You can check my website in the video tutorial. You'll see the videos there and pictures teaching people how to do their own repairs and sewing. Thank you everyone for watching.